How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. And does a VPN work while using Hotspot is the question we're addressing today. And simply speaking, I'm not going to waste any time. It's going to be a short video. Yes, VPNs can work while using a hotspot. Now, obviously, a hotspot, especially a public hotspot, is an access point that allows devices to connect to the internet. And a VPN is a tool that encrypts your internet connection and hides your IP address to protect your online activity and privacy. Now, when you use a VPN while connected to a hotspot, the VPN will encrypt your internet connection, which helps protect your online activity from being visible to others on the same network. This will protect your privacy and cybersecurity when using a hotspot, whether it's a public hotspot or a hotspot created by your own device. It's important to note that using a VPN, though, does not guarantee complete safety when using a hotspot. There are still potential risks to consider, such as downloading malicious files or phishing attacks. So I recommend that you have some sort of anti-malware software or an antivirus software to keep yourself protected, and kind of couple it with a VPN to make sure that you are as protected as it can be. And also avoid entering sensitive information on unfamiliar networks unless you're using a good, reliable VPN. So I've tested over a couple of dozen VPNs in order to find which are the safest, and VPNs that have strict no-logs policies that are backed up by independent audit reports, and they're also equipped with the proper security features. You've got Express, Nord, and Surfshark. I've narrowed it down to these three. They all vary in budgets and features, so pick and choose depending on your own situation, where you're looking for out of your VPN, your budget, specific needs, and preferences. ExpressVPN will focus a little bit more on privacy, anonymity, ease of use, and compatibility. It's very reliable and consistent. NordVPN is about half the price. It gives you a whole bunch of bonus features. It's a very well-rounded VPN with very high performance and high security, so it's a huge bang for the buck. And Surfshark will be the best budget option that gets the job done at the cheapest possible cost without really sacrificing any of the necessary security features they need to keep your devices secure. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hopefully I answered you guys' question. If you guys are interested in any of these VPNs, you'll find links to pricing and discounts in the description down below, as well as full reviews if you'd like to learn more about the privacy policy, speed streaming, and torrenting capabilities, as well as security and features. And of course, they're all covered by a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can test drive these VPNs for 30 days risk-free. Otherwise, you can simply get yourself a refund if you're not satisfied for whatever reason. Besides that, comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.